Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi and today I'm going to explain you the SAT exam. It's a pattern, module, timing, strategy in a very simple way. So let's start. What is SAT? Generally, SAT stands for Scholastic Assessment Test. It is an entrance exam for the students who wants to study abroad after 12th for the bachelor's degree. It means if you want to get admitted for bachelor's and want to go abroad for study purpose, you have to give this exam. Generally, students wants to know who can give this exam. So students in class 11th, 12th, if they are in class 11th or 12th, and even if they passed out already and have a gap year students, they can give this exam. This exam don't have any age limit. And what are the subject or skill needed for this exam? Mainly two. First one is English and second is maths. So these are the two subjects you should know. Now, what is the structure of the exam? How it's going to happen? The SAT have mainly two sessions. First one is reading and writing. Second one is math. And your paper is going to be in two module. Two module, what does it module means? Generally student got confused in this. So here two module means first module ones. This is a paper, it's going to be same for all the students. Like all the students have to give the same questions level for each and everything. Each either it's going to be for maths or English. Same. Second module is adaptive. Depends on the performance of your first module, you are going to give second module. If you have performed very well in your first module, like you scored 90 plus, we can say, a very good marks in that your first module, then the second module is going to be a harder question, and this will help you to score more. It's high, the chances for this one is going to be high score. And if you have performed average, like a 50% you have scored in your first module, then you will get easier question in your second module, and the score getting scores chances is going to be a little bit less than for this. So you have to perform very well in module one. And that's going to decide your adaptive module. Okay, so now coming back to your times and question, how many questions are there? Generally, your maths is going to have 44 questions and you have to do that in 70 minutes. Each module you are going to give 35 minutes for first module and 35 minutes for second module. And if we are just going to talk about your testing and scoring, your total score is going to be of 600, sorry, 1600. Maths is of 800 and English is of 800. And no negative, it's just a good thing that no negative marking for this. No negative marking, so you can attempt all the questions. You don't need to leave anywhere. Now coming about the weightage of your exam, like what is the weightage, and in math session if you are talking about what is the weightage of your different chapters. Most of this your whole syllabus for the maths is going to be divided into four major part. First one is going to be algebra, then second advanced maths, third data analysis, second sorry, fourth is going to be geometry, and the highest weightage is from algebra, that is 35%. 10 to 12 question is from algebra itself, and then advanced mathematics, that's going to be your nearly 30%. 8 to 10 questions from advanced, and then data analysis 20%, that is 5 to 7 questions, and the last one is 50% for geometry, that is 3 to 5 questions. Now, very important thing is what's the strategy we should attempt for this one, we should perform for this to get higher score. The very first thing is attempt easy questions first. If you are just in the module first or anyone, which one you think it's a easier one that's going to take very less time, you should do that one first. In the starting, if you are just going to solve the difficult question now, it will consume all your times, and you know that even if the questions are easy, their weightages are same. For all the questions, similar marks are you are going to get. So first try to solve easy questions, leave the hard questions for later, manage your time properly. Like for each question, if I'm just talking about the maths, for each question you will get 1.5 minutes, so you have to manage your time. If you are going to give 2 minutes for first question, then it means you have to give less, 30 minutes less on second question. So accordingly you have to manage your time properly. Don't spend too much questions on one question. If you're going to spend too much questions on one, your other question will be left out. So these are all about your SAT exam. Hopefully it's helpful. If you want anything more, you can ask me. Thank you.